In this section, we will see Excel 2010 user interface and what are the basic terminologies that we are having, and we have to be familiar with these terms while using Excel. So let's begin with that. You can see the image on your screen there, and you can see here that from the top left corner, if we check it out, the ribbons that we have here, the first one you can see here from the file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, add-in. So these are all different tab lists are available in the Excel. In the first line, you can see at the top center, you can see the title bar of Microsoft Excel. So whenever you are going to save any file, this will be the title of your file. So again, you will see here the same features according like in the MS Word that we have studied in the previous lessons. The same we have here. These are save button here, and we have main file button here, and also the same parallelly here you can see the quick access toolbar. This quick access toolbar will give you the option to save the file and other undo clear objects. This on the left row horizontally, vertically, you can see here the row numbers 1, 2, 3 serial number you can see here. And whenever you open any Excel sheet, the first cell of the sheet will be active. So this is called active cell indicator. Then you can see at the bottom the sheet tab scroll buttons, the left indent button, the left right indent button. So this will give you access to move throughout the different sheets of this page of this workbook. Other than that, you can see here the column letters A, B, C, D, E, F. These are all column letters. And on the right top corner, you can see the cross button where we can close the window, and application close and window maximizer and application and window minimizer buttons are also there. You can see the top in the title bar whenever we have these are window close and maximize and minimize button. But and the bottom here there where you can see the tab list with the different ribbons, you can see these are the application window maximizer and restore button. Then at the bottom you can see this is the navigation scroll, vertical scroll bar, and there is a zoom control button plus minus, and it will give you the status of how much enlarged your screen it is. And same this side you will see the page view of the buttons, different when we will do experiment in the next lesson. You will see that what is the function of these buttons. And this is the horizontal scroll bar. You can move your page right and left, and from here up and down. And this is in the middle, you can see below the tab and ribbons, you can see here the first this is the active cell indicator, because here you are in column A and row 1, so this is giving you indication. This is also known as the name box, because whenever you are writing something here, it will give you the name and title in this box. Here on the right side, you can see the long bar, which is empty here. This is the function bar fx. So any kind of function that we are going to do in the Excel, this function will be appear in this bar. So let's see the next image. It will be also a kind of a reflection of this, and this is going to be here like this. So you can see here, this is Microsoft Office button here, and main button. This is again quick toolbar, title bar, band of different tabs. This by the time we will see name boxes, font group. These are all font alignment sections. This is the number section and group name you will see here. Again at the bottom you can see here zoom slider and zoom in and out buttons are there. This is the active sheet. When we open one first sheet of the workbook, this is going to be called as active sheet tab. Other than that, we have the insert worksheet tab. We can insert more sheets from this button, and this is going to be your status bar, that what is the status of that window. So this was all about our 2000 user interface. So by the time when we will go to each of tab, each function tab, we will be learning more functions and more ribbons and more buttons and function keys about this Excel 2010 user interface. So thank you so much.